Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute pumpkin for fall decorations. I use 12 millimeters hook and yarn. Make a slip knot. Insert your hook under this yarn. Pull up yarn. Make a slip knot and chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I made 25 chains in here. Make 25 chains, skip one chain, go to next chain. Insert your hook into this chain, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Now we have 2 yarns in here. Insert your hook under this yarn. Second, under this yarn, insert your hook. Now we have 2 yarns on hook. Go to next chain in here. Insert your hook into this chain, pull up yarn. Now we have 3 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, pull through 3 yarns together. We have 3 yarns in here. Insert your hook under third yarn. Take these yarns on your hook, go to next chain. Insert your hook into this chain, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 3 yarns together. We have 3 yarns in here. Go to under this third yarn, insert your hook under this yarn, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together. Insert your hook under this yarn, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through all of them, and continue like this for first row. Complete this round same as these stitches. Make last stitch. Insert your hook under this yarn, go to last stitch, last chain, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together, make a chain, turn the work. Insert your hook into these stitches. Take these yarns on your hook like this. Insert your hook from back into first stitch. Insert your hook under these yarns like this. Take this yarn, pull up yarn. Now we have two yarns on hook. Pull through two yarns together and make one single crochet in first stitch. Now we have two yarns in here. Insert your hook under second yarn like this. Take this yarn on your hook, go to next stitch, go to next stitch, from back take two yarns on hook, from back into this stitch, pull up yarn, pull through three yarns together and make second row like this. Insert your hook under this yarn, third yarn. Take this yarn on your hook, go to next stitch, from back insert your hook from back into this stitch, pull up yarn, pull through three yarns together and complete second row. Make last stitch, make a chain, turn the work, continue for this row same as first row. Pull up yarn, make a single crochet, insert your hook under this yarn, go to next stitch, take two yarns on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through all of them and continue and repeat same as first and second rows. Repeat these rows and make more rows. And in next row continue same as second row. Repeat these rows and make more rows like this.